had a dinner, right? Yeah, today I'm going to unbox few kitchen things and what else? Yeah, I got my new tripod. My old tripod is gone. Just for it's been 2 months I think I started using. I started YouTube. So I'm going to start one by one. I'm excited actually because in UAE this is the first time I ordered through Amazon. It's nice, very quickly I got, but different products came in different on different dates. So I'm going to show one by one, unbox. So this is my cute Prestige mini box grater. I have 4 sizes. Separate thing for slicing and then this grating, but then this looks very cute and then I wanted to order. Amazon is good, quick in delivery also. And this one, super hand mixer. This is first time I'm buying like this because I started baking. So I wanted to take anything, what do you call, initially, right? So I just want to check, and the brand here is Scarlett with 7 speeds. So they are giving some 4 blades, I think. I'm going to open this and show you, and then I'm going to give you a review also once I start using this. Okay, I'm going to unbox this. So these are two actually. Very cute. Oh, see, very handy actually. Oh, see, this is the brand. I don't know, I never used, but I found it very good in Amazon. I just got the next day only after ordering. So we have to fix here are the blades. Yeah, like this. Yes. So here, see this? Whichever number you want to use. See, speed, it depends, which speed the thing is here. Nice, it's cute, nice. Yeah. See, Amazon AE. This is tripod. But I don't know which company is this. Three-way head, built-in level, blah 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 blah. Okay, I'm going to open this. strong. This is stronger than my old tripod. Yeah, it's nice. Yeah, I'll fix this later. And the final one is this one. Amazon.a. These are my cooking spatulas. These are silicone spatulas. See how they pad? This is the whole thing. See, these are 6 spatulas. Well, only this one, this big box. My husband also pakka mutkali ustunadu. Wow, they are very strong, really very nice, you know. See, 1, 2, this is 3, 4, brush, 5 and 6. Yeah, really they are very nice because I have already, but then they are kind of some local made company, and then that is not that strong. See, this is really nice. I mean, paatadaniki actually nenu meeku chupistanu. ఇది కూడా యాక్చువల్లీ నేను రీసెంట్ గానే కొన్నాను షాప్ లో, మామూలు షాప్ లో. ఇది చూసారా? అంటే ఇది నాకు భయం అన్నమాట, ఇది యూజ్ చేయాలంటే కూడా భయం వేస్తుంది, అందుకే నేను ఇది కొన్నాను. ఇఫ్ యూ నోటీస్ దిస్, ఇక్కడ అసలు ఏమీ ఇది లేదు తెలుసా అండి, ఇదంతా సింగిల్ పీస్. వావ్, దిస్ ఇస్ సో నైస్. ఆల్ ఆర్ లైక్ దాట్ ఓన్లీ. Wow, very nice, very nice. So friends, I hope you like this video, unboxing, my first unboxing video. Please, if you are watching my channel for the first time, please do subscribe, like, share, and don't forget to click on the bell icon. See you in my next video. Till then, bye bye, you take care.